ch, k, p, k. Okay. Now I'm very much worried. एक अंग्रेज टाइगर भी होता होगा, सुनने को मिलेगा कि मैंने आपको कॉल की थी. Was that सुना है आपने? कॉल की. This is not called call. This is called what? Call. If you want your English be like an American or British, यानी कि अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी इंग्लिश जो है अमेरिकन या ब्रिटिश की तरह हो जाए, तो आपको सबसे पहले रूल क्या पढ़ना पड़ता है? थ, ख, फ, ख. यानी कि ये जो T, C, P, K नहीं है, this is called T stands for th. What's that? Th, 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 k, p, k. What's that? Th, k, p, k. What's that? Th, k, p, k. You get my point? Okay. This is not called acha. This is not called taka paka. Okay. This is called th, k, p, k. Th, k, p, k. Okay. Now let's have more practice of this. T, C, P, K. All right. Okay. So this is called what? T. What's that? T. T. Okay. Like I mean. T. What's that? Someone do that? What's that? T. T. K. P. K. T. K. P. K. Okay. So these are the things. I mean, it makes your English beautiful. It makes your English beautiful. Like, अब क्या कहाँ से beautiful हो जाती है आपकी English? Let's see. If you're just gonna talk about the word T, it's called tree. What's that? Tree, not tree. What's that? It's not called tree. That is called tree. Okay. Another talk. What's that? I am talking to you. I am talking to you. Okay. Another tension. What's that? Tension. What's that? Tension. Another tea. What's that? I'd like to have a cup of tea. Speak up. अच्छा, let's suppose you are in a restaurant. आप कहाँ पर हैं? किसी restaurant में हैं, and you need to order a tea. So what you're gonna say? You're gonna say, I'd like to have a cup of tea. अच्छा, I would होता है. क्या होता है? I would like to have a cup of tea. All right, but make sure that mostly whenever you're speaking this in an accent, so you say odd. What's that? क्या कहते हैं? Odd. That's not called I would. What's that? Odd. I'd like to have a cup of tea. क्या मतलब है इसका? कि मैं एक कप चाय लेना पसंद करूंगा या एक कप चाय पीना पसंद करूंगा. What's that? I'd like to have a cup of tea. So, what's that? Tuition. What's that? Acha. Tuition. Tea. Tension. Tree. Talk. I'm talking to you. I'm very much worried. Hey, don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. No, I'm very much worried. I'm worried. I'm worried because of inflation. Inflation का मतलब समझते हैं आप लोग? क्या? पाकिस्तानी होगी inflation का मतलब नहीं समझ रहे हो यार तुम लोग. Okay, this is called inflation. What's that? Inflation. What's that? Inflation. Okay? Inflation का क्या मतलब? महंगाई. Okay? T से tiger. What's that? What's that? Tiger. Okay? I'm a tiger. I'm a tiger. I can speak like a tiger. Come on, tiger को अंग्रेजी बोलते देखा है क्या? अच्छा देखा है. एक अंग्रेज टाइगर भी होता होगा. हैं जी? अच्छा जी. Bark up. So what's that? T, tension, tree, talk, tiger. I saw a tiger last night. I saw a tiger last night. कल रात मैंने एक शेर देखा. You get my point? Okay. I'd like to have a tuition classes. Okay, that's it. बात समझ आ गई? Okay, now let's proceed with what? K. C stands for core. Hey, that's my car. That's my car. That's not yours. Hey, come on. How come? That's not your car. Okay. And then there was that catch. Was that? Catch. Was that? Catch. Another cool. Was that? Cool. Was that? Cool. अक्सर लोग आप इसको ये सुनने को मिलेगा कि मैंने आपको कॉल की थी. Was that? सुना है आपने? कॉल की थी. It's not called call. It's called what? Cool. अच्छा, most of the time what happens, Americans don't pronounce the word L as well. वो अक्सर किसको pronounce नहीं करते हैं? L को भी pronounce नहीं करते हैं. किस तरह से? जैसे कहीं पे कहते हैं, hey, can you feel it? Can you? अब okay, can you feel it? Okay. I call you. I call you. I call you. He calls me daily. He calls me daily. But you can say also, he calls me daily. He calls me daily. Okay. Another, that's called catch, call. Next, come on, you tell me. Cold drink. बस शुरू. दोबारा खाने पे. Okay. Cold drink. What's that? Cold drink. Okay. Make sure that this is not called. Most of the time, Americans pronounce O as A and A as O. यानी कि जहाँ A होता है आमतौर पर उसको क्या pronounce करते हैं? O. आप इसे ये नहीं कहते. Car. No. Car. Okay. This is not called car. This is called car. Okay. This is not called kal. This is called cool. What's that? Cool. Cool. बात समझ में आ रही है? So mostly what happens, they pronounce O like A and A like O. Okay, you get me? Okay. So whatever you're being taught over here, क्या कहा मैंने? Whatever you're being taught over here. Come on, if you're not getting my English, you need to ask. पूछ लीजिएगा मुझसे. Okay? I said, whatever you're being taught we hear. You not getting me? Not getting me? Okay. I'm saying actually, whatever you are being taught, जिसे हम कहते हैं उसे गोरा क्या कहता है? Taught. What's that? Taught. Okay? Whatever you're being taught over here, यानी कि जो कुछ भी आपको यहाँ पढ़ाया जा रहा है. क्या कहा मैंने? Whatever का मतलब क्या होता है? जो कुछ भी या कुछ भी. Okay, what's that? Whatever. Oh, what's the कहने के? Hey, come on. You can be fall down, all right? He can come. Your father can come. Oh, whatever. कुछ भी. I don't care. What's that? I don't care. Whatever. What's that? अक्सर बंदा कहना है कि यार ऐसा हो सकता है ये नहीं करो. उसके जवाब में whatever. Whatever. मतलब कुछ भी हो. I don't care about that. Okay? Now let's proceed with the word P. Okay? What's that? Pa. The first is our great country, Pakistan. And everybody is trying to leave Pakistan. Okay? As soon as possible. What's that?
As soon as possible.
As possible. मैंने आपसे क्या कहा था कि O like A like O. So possible नहीं. What's that? This is not called possible. This is called possible. What's that? Possible. As soon as possible. जितनी जल्दी मुमकिन हो सके. जिसे हम SMS की ज़बान में क्या लिखते हैं? ASAP. What's that? देखा होगा आपने? Okay? So it means that word As soon
as possible,
as possible. As soon
as possible,
as possible. You get my point? Okay, so what's that? Pakistan. P for Pakistan. And another pork. What's that? Pork. What's that? Pork. I'd like to go to the park. I'd like to go to the park. Okay, there's not something like that. I would like to go to the park. Okay, this got word? Park. I'd like to go to the park. Okay, so another pure. What's that? Pure. You know what? I have got a pure heart. क्या मतलब हाँ साफ सुथरा दिल है बिल्कुल लग से नहाया हुआ. Okay, so what's that? Pure. What's that? Pure. Okay, another that's called, somebody says party. What's that? Party. Let's have a party. Okay, so something like that. हम यहाँ पर हैं और यहाँ क्या हो रही है? Party हो रही है. Okay, so this is something like that. Okay, so party, park, Pakistan, pure, and another pork meat. Pork meat. Can anyone tell me what's the meaning of this pork meat? If you go abroad, if you go any abroad, okay, like European country, so you would see most of the time the pork meat. Pork meat means suar ka gosht. What's that? Suar ka gosht. Okay, this is called pork meat. Okay, burger. Let's proceed further. So another. Oh, now next word. Profession. Okay, profession. What's that? Profession. Okay. So look at that. What is the difference Thaka Paka creates? Thaka Paka से क्या difference आता है English के अंदर? Look here. अगर आप Thaka Paka इस्तेमाल ना करो तो ये क्या होगा? आप कैसे पढ़ोगे? T, tension, tree, talk, tiger, tuition. ऐसा ही है? अच्छा आ जाएं. Car, catch, profession, call, pork, pure, Pakistan, park, party. ऐसा ही है? Now apply Thaka Paka. T, tension, tree, talk, tiger, tuition, profession, catch, car, park, party. You get my point? Fark aaya? This is the major difference. Okay, creates. So this is the major difference of accent between American and Pakistani English or any other English. You get my point? So practice as much as you can. आप जितनी ज़्यादा practice करेंगे, you'll get what? A command word hit. Okay?